Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a Toyota Supra in cardboard. First, let's gather our essential tools and materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard, a sharp craft knife, and a reliable adhesive like hot glue or strong craft glue. Don't forget a cutting mat to protect your surfaces, a ruler for straight lines, and a pencil for marking. Having clear reference images or blueprints of the Toyota Supra will be incredibly helpful for achieving an accurate shape. Now, let's begin constructing the Supra's foundational frame. Carefully cut out the main body panels from your cardboard, focusing on the base, side profiles, and the top section. Precision is key here, so take your time with each cut. Once cut, assemble these primary chassis pieces using your strong adhesive, ensuring they are firmly attached. Adding internal support beams will significantly reinforce the structure, preventing any unwanted warping as you build. With the basic frame in place, it's time to bring the Supra's distinctive shape to life. Gently score and bend the cardboard to form those iconic curves, especially around the hood and roofline. Next, attach smaller, precisely cut pieces for the wheel arches, front and rear bumpers, and the signature spoiler. Don't hesitate to use multiple layers of cardboard to add depth and definition, making features like headlights and taillights stand out with a three-dimensional effect. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your incredible cardboard Toyota Supra. Carefully smooth out any rough edges and fill any small gaps using tiny pieces of cardboard or a suitable filler. Once the structure is perfect, apply a base coat of paint or primer to create a uniform surface. Then, unleash your creativity with custom paint colors, decals, and even interior details like seats and a dashboard, making your Supra truly unique and ready for display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.